Hello guys, so many of you have been asking me, well actually no one asked, but I thought it would be a good idea to make this type of a video. So yeah, let's go. Let me try to explain how I do it, why I do it like I do it, and jumping on to the how I drive it. So as you can see, I'm driving Mercedes CLA 250. I do have normal mode, sport mode and manual mode. I prefer always the manual, so I can choose when to change the gearbox or the gear. Why I prefer it is the reason, for example, as shown right now, I can lower it down, not having the manual gearbox and still playing with the RPMs. That's what you only need to do right now. You check only RPMs, not your speed, right? Not this one. Of course, if you're a bit 70 and we're going 80, then unlockable. But use this lane to show you how I would speed up using this method. But maybe I can. Let's check what they're doing. Yeah, seems like I can. First gear, second gear, third gear, or the fourth, right? 4,000 RPMs right there, and we're going behind this OODI. Excellent. We're gonna say thank you to this guy. Why these ones and how should you drive it? The goal is you drive, hopefully you already feel the car, but there's the red color. You don't want to go over the red or really close to the red. Reason being, it's bad for your gearbox. Simple as that. You can downshift with the pedals, but depending on your car, you don't need to. I don't need to do it with this Mercedes. It will do it automatically, but I like to downshift and upshift based on my feeling, how I'm trying to go regarding those RPM. If you want to have fun, if you want to, I don't know, race with this bike in front, then you can try the sport mode or manual mode, depending on I don't know, your feeling preference. For example, right now I'm going 50 because of the speed camera. Immediate acceleration, I can go already 70. Sports mode, I would say, again, it depends. This car, it can go from third to fourth gear depending on the RPMs, and car decides when she wants to change the gear. With the manual one, you are the owner of this decision. What is the goal of these pedals? Right now, for example, if we're gonna pass these cars, and then I know that it's up to me how quickly or on which gear the car will pass these NPCs, right? I'm gonna go to manual, 2000 RPMs, go lower, 70. We are having again new speed camera. Keep the 70 hitting here. It's great. Right turn, so cars are slowing down, and this motorcycle guy is gonna hit the gas probably. So 3000 RPMs. I don't want to change it. I don't want to. I can still don't want to. Okay, 4.5 I'm gonna change. It's 110, right? So two cars are coming, not gonna pass him, but fifth gear is the one that I'm gonna pass cars most often, or fourth, depending what we are driving. If you're driving 90, well, 99, 100 basically, then I might even do it in the fourth gear, just for the safety reasons, that I will know how quickly I can pass this car. I know that there is a question, can you hold the gas while changing your gear? You should do it. If you are, for example, behind your traffic light, you're with someone or you're alone, you wanna go a bit quicker, then do not take your foot off the gas pedal. You can hold it and press. You don't need to manually start clicking your pedal. It's not manual car, you know. Neat trick: if you want to go lower gear possible, then you can hold the lower left one and it will go as low as possible for the car kind of not breaking it. So currently it was 3rd gear. I hope this conversation while driving might give you something. Try it out is the kind of goal for it. Let me know how did it go. Let me know if you know anything additional extra that I don't know. Peace out.